Did the Settings app disappear from your iPhone's home screen and now you're wondering how to get it back? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to bring the Settings app back to your iPhone home screen. Let's get started. Method 1. Find Settings in the app library. First, swipe all the way to the right on your iPhone until you reach the app library. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type Settings. Once the Settings app appears, press and hold the Settings icon. Now, you can drag the Settings app toward the left side of the screen until you return to your home screen. Simply place it wherever you want, and the Settings app will now be back on your home screen. This is the easiest method if the Settings app is still available in your app library. Method 2. Reset the home screen layout. But what if you can't find the Settings app in the app library? There's another option you can try. First, swipe down from the middle of your home screen to open Spotlight Search. Type Settings into the search bar and open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap Reset. You'll see several reset options, but the one we want is Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap on it and confirm the reset. Keep in mind, this does not delete your apps, photos, or personal data. Instead, it restores your home screen arrangement back to the default layout. Any custom folders and app positions you've created will be rearranged. Once the reset is complete, return to your home screen. You should now see the Settings app back in its normal position. And that's it. Those are two simple ways to get the Settings app back on your iPhone home screen. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.